Jake, let's head to the jungle today. I heard the animals have something exciting to share.
Sounds like a plan, Sarah. The jungle always has a way of lifting our spirits.
They ventured into the lush greenery, greeted by the chirping of birds and rustling leaves.
Look, there's Benny the bear. Hey, Benny, how's it going?
Hey, pals, I've got news from the deep woods. The wise old owl says there's a hidden treasure waiting to be found.
A treasure? That sounds like an adventure worth pursuing. What do you think, Sarah?
Absolutely. Let's assemble the gang and embark on a quest. Larry, the mischievous monkey, and Lila, the graceful deer, will surely join us.
The friends gathered near the entrance of the jungle, where Larry was swinging from vines.
What's the buzz, folks? Benny here heard from the wise owl that there's a hidden treasure deep in the woods. Are you in for an adventure?
A treasure hunt. Count me in. The forest has secrets waiting to be discovered.
And Lila gracefully stepped forward. With the gang assembled, they ventured deeper into the jungle, listening to the lively chatter of the animals. Beneath the ancient trees, they stumbled upon a mysterious path, bathed in dappled sunlight.
This path feels different, like it's leading us somewhere magical.
The owl mentioned that we need to follow the whispers of the wind. It will guide us to the treasure.
As they followed the enchanting whispers, they encountered a wise old tortoise named Theo.
Ah, you seekers of treasure, the whispers will guide you. But remember, it's not just gold and jewels that make a treasure.
The whispers led them to a clearing where a sparkling waterfall revealed a hidden cave.
Could this be it? The entrance to the treasure.
This is the real treasure, isn't it?
They entered the cave, finding not gold and jewels, but a magical crystal that emanated warmth and harmony.
Indeed, young ones, the treasure is the bond you share, the adventures you embark on, and the joy you bring to the jungle.
As they left the cave, the animals gathered, expressing their gratitude for the friends who brought harmony to their home. The friends returned to their village, the magical crystal now a symbol of their enduring friendship with the jungle and its inhabitants.
Our journey may have led us to a crystal, but the real treasure is the moments we've shared and the friendships we've formed.
The jungle has a way of reminding us that true wealth lies in the beauty of nature and the connections we make.
And so, their adventures continued, with the jungle and its inhabitants becoming an integral part of their lives.